Hi friends, welcome to Miss Suman's SG classes. We're gonna work on blending the middle sound of I. We will learn how to blend the middle sound of letter I. The very first thing is what sound I makes. I makes the sound of E. 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 If I write down this, E. K. Ink. Let's get started. B. E. B. D. E. D. F. E. F. Let's try one more time using our inner voice. B. D. F. M. E. Me. N. E. Ni. H. E. One more time. Me. Ni. He. P. E. P. R. E. Re. K. E. T. Let me ask you few. I'm gonna circle few words. Let's see how we make the sounds. Knee. T. B. Very good job. Look at this boy, how happy he is. I'm sure by now you guys are also happy and excited because you are able to join the middle sound of letter I. Let's see some 3-letter words using the same sounds that we have learned. This is exactly how we will be reading these words. B, E, B, G, big. D, E, D, G, big. F, E, F, G, fig. M, E, Mi, G, mig. N, E, Ni, G, nig. H, E, Hi, G, hig. P, E, P, G, pig. R, E, Ri, G, rig. T, E, T, G, tig. Very good job. Some of these words might not have much meaning right now, but the thing is, when we start making complex words, for example, when this word will change itself into height, this concept will come and play its role. So right now, if some word is not making any sense to you, it's completely okay. Let's keep practicing and reading these 3-letter words. Let's go to our next slide. So here also the first 2 sounds are exactly same, and I have changed the ending sound and tried to create some more words for you guys. B, T, bit. D, M, dim. Fi, N, fin. Mix, mix. Ni, knit. Hit, hit. Pit, pit. Ri, rim. Ti, tim. Now I'm going to go back to the previous slide, circle some words. Using my inner voice, I will try and read them. Dig, pig, big. If you look carefully in this slide, I have used the ending sound of G. While for the next slide, I have tried and added different kinds of ending sounds just to give you an idea how to read different kind of words. Dim, hit, rim, mix. Very good job. I am very proud of you. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. and press the bell icon. I will see you guys soon. Bye bye.